Have you seen this Nano Banana trend all over the internet? Welcome back to the channel, guys. And they have completely taken over the social media. But here's the crazy part. Most of these pictures are not even real toys. They are AI generated. In today's video, I'll not only show you the trend and some amazing mind-blowing Nano Banana creation, but I will tell you how you can make your own 3D model like this using Google Gemini. If you love exploring internet trends and AI, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss any update. The Nano Banana trend started as a funny AI prompt and boom, it went viral. Creators around the world making hilarious, super creative design. How they are made? Most of these images are made with AI tools like Google Gemini with a simple prompt, and you can make your own 3D figure by just putting this prompt and image you want to get changed into a 3D viral figure. And since Gemini is designed for creative prompt, it can generate multiple variation until you find the perfect image step by step. Now let me show you how you can make your own Nano Banana 3D figure using Google Gemini for free. First, go to Google Gemini. This is the prompt which we are using in this video. Now write this prompt, which will be available in our description. You can get that prompt from our description in this video. Now select the option for Nano Banana for photo editing. Now select an image which you want to convert into a 3D model image. Also, you can redefine prompt a bit, generate multiple outputs, be creative. You can add your own personality traits also. Now you can save the image by right clicking on the image and going to save image as option. So that's the story of Nano Banana figurine trend, and now you can make it with Google Gemini. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more internet trend breakdowns and AI tutorials.